The ocean covers over 70% of our planet and hides some of the strangest things on Earth. From immortal jellyfish to underwater lakes, here are 10 crazy facts about the deep sea. Fact 1. There's a jellyfish that doesn't die of old age. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life, basically resetting itself. That's right, it can potentially live forever, unless it's eaten or killed. It's often called the immortal jellyfish. Fact 2. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known place on Earth, plunging over 36,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. At the very bottom is the Challenger Deep, a pitch-black, crushing pressure world where few machines have ever reached. Fact 3. Yes, there are lakes and rivers under the ocean. In some parts of the seafloor, heavy brine, super salty water, pools in trenches and forms underwater lakes. They even have waves and shorelines. But if a fish swims in, it usually dies. Fact 4. The pistol shrimp is only about 2 inches long, but it makes a sound louder than a gunshot. It snaps its claw so fast that it creates a bubble reaching 200 decibels and briefly hotter than the sun. The bubble stuns or kills prey. Fact 5. The red-lipped batfish looks like it wears lipstick and prefers walking to swimming. It uses its fins like legs to walk on the ocean floor near the Galapagos Islands. Scientists agree, it's one of the weirdest-looking fish alive. Fact 6. There are more than 1 million underwater volcanoes, many still active. When they erupt, they can create new islands or trigger massive underwater shock waves. Some even host thriving ecosystems in complete darkness. Fact 7. Oceans are no longer silent. Due to ship traffic, oil drilling, and sonar, the ocean is much louder than it used to be. This noise pollution affects whales and other animals that rely on sound to survive. Fact 8. In some coastal areas, waves glow at night thanks to bioluminescent plankton. They light up when disturbed, creating neon blue surf that looks like magic. It's especially common in places like Maldives or California. Fact 9. For centuries, giant squids were thought to be sea monster legends, but they're real and huge. Some can reach 40 feet in length and have eyes the size of dinner plates. They live in the deep sea and are rarely seen alive. Fact 10. Over 80% of Earth's oceans remain unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. We know more about the surface of Mars than our own seafloor. New species are discovered all the time, and who knows what's still hiding down there. What's your favorite weird ocean fact? Comment below and dive into more weird wonders with StrangeByte. Subscribe for weekly drops of digital curiosity.